Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol TWTR Twitter. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, crazy movement today. Earnings came out. Market did not like what it saw. And now we have an interesting setup here moving forward. I mean, it is Twitter, and you got to give credit where credit's due. People have heard of Twitter. People like to buy Twitter. So I'm not saying that means that the price is for sure guaranteed going to bounce back upwards, but it's going to be one that it's going to be on people's radars. And there is a little interesting pattern here forming with the fact that the price and the bleeding definitely reduced its rate. What do I mean? Well, right here, very high rate of bleeding, basically straight down. But then from there, actually, there was zero bleeding. It actually went up a little bit, and then it did, quote unquote, plunge again. But notice this plunge. It was basically nothing compared to that over there. So the rate at which the selling was occurring was much less. Now, once more, does that mean that this is for sure guaranteed some kind of bottom? No, if only trading were that easy. My point here is it's at least a rational thought. It's a valid thought process to have that, yeah, maybe this is some sort of bottom that's trying to finally, chip out and get established here. So if this last little green candle here can continue to build upon itself next week, where are some of these levels of resistance at? Well, the first key area of resistance that in my opinion, is a must break if you're going to have any sort of bullish conversation. Meaning, even if the price bounces up some, I would still be very skeptical just because, okay, well, that could very well be a dead cat bounce. But if the price can break above 42.25, well, that doesn't mean the price is for sure going to skyrocket. At least at that point, it represents a good little sign of strength that could really start to change the landscape of things. If the price can get up through the 42.25, then the next key level after that, up there right around 43.45. So keep an eye on those couple areas from the resistance side of things. And then as far as supports are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated behind this at all. Just literally a question of, okay, well, where did the bleeding finally stop today? And the bleeding finally stopped essentially down there at $40.75. So these are going to be the key technical levels to watch moving forward. So let's see how things continue to play out. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.